What are you going to do today?
We're doing magnet experiments.
Magnet experiment. What is that in your hand? Magnet and
Coins.
coins. Okay, so we are going to do experiments with magnets and coins. This is cool.
First we take a magnet, then take some coin, then we take a pipe, then the magnetic coin, then go orbiting.
Okay, orbiting. Yes. What is magnetic, Neil? What does that coin have?
Mommy, it has metal.
It has metal. Okay, it has metal.
Magnetic.
Magnetic metal. I think you should call it something made with iron.
In meter iron. In meter iron. In meter iron. Mine made of iron.
It's made of iron. Okay, yes, of something ferrous. And that's why magnets are attracted to it. Yes, the magnet has become attracted to the coins.
1,
Huh.
2,
3,
4,
4, 5. So how many magnets are there?
5.
5 magnets. Magnet has 2 poles, a north pole and a south pole. Oh, north pole does not get attracted. Look, same poles, not getting attracted. But opposite sides, that is when this is the south pole and this is the north pole, then they get attracted. Now you are north pole and I am south pole. Can we stick? It's stick. Hey, we stuck. Again. You are north and I am south. Hey, sticky. Chipku, magnet. We are stuck together. Stuck. A magnet is eating me. Leave me, magnet, leave me. So opposites attract. Okay, Neil, in magnets what attract?
Opposite.
Opposites attract. Good job. Okay, now let's take your coins and do our experiment. Okay?
It's not so easy. It's so attractive. Wait, behave. Behave yourself, Mr. Magnet. Quick. Look. Oh my God, that is so. One more, Neil. I think we can do one.
Yes, good job, Neil. Now look, there become one chain of coins. Can we put one more? No, I don't think so. I can feel it sticking. Can you feel it sticking, Neil? But it's not holding it. Look, it's not holding it. See, it's not. See, it's trying. Look, it's trying to pick it up. But it's not holding it. Why, Neil? Okay, Neil is very ready, very eager to do the final part of the experiment. Yes, you have to blow on the last coin. And then I'll explain why this is happening. Good job. Can mommy try, please? Let's see if mommy can. Wow.
Ow.
Uh-oh. Did you touch it?
Yeah.
That's why it went away. Now let's put it back and let's show everyone how I'm doing it, okay?
Hello. Ow. Honey, it was going so speed.
Now you want to do?
Yeah.
Okay, do it.
How to do?
Wait. Yeah, do. Yes, you made it spin. Try once more. Actually, all of them became small magnets, right? So because there are 5 magnets on top that we have, that's why this became a magnet, this became a magnet, and this also became a magnet. Do you understand? But the magnetic power slowly reduced. Look, it's reducing. So this one has the lowest power. So So when I'm blowing, it has the lowest friction, and so that's why it's going psst. When you are blowing also, it's going psst. The way the earth rotates, right? What are they doing? Spinning round and round and round. The way the earth rotates. And this has the lowest power. So that's why it's not able to attract anything anymore. But it's still magnetic. It's still magnetic, right? Is this a cool experiment? Did you have fun?
I want to do it again.
You want to do it again? Yes. So every one of us can do it again. Good job, Neil. See, it's rotating once more. Wow! This time you did it perfectly. Oh, just a little alert for parents. I mean, you guys obviously know, but be with the kids when they're doing such experiments. They may just put the coin in their mouth or the magnet in their mouth. So just be there with them. Even though this is one of the safest experiments that there is to bring about an interest in them for science, but still constant supervision. Okay, hope you enjoyed this experiment. Bye bye.